Welcome to Dubai, one of the most futuristic skylines on Earth. As the sun rises over the Persian Gulf, the city awakens in golden light, glass towers glowing against the morning sky. Dominating the horizon is the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world. From this height, the streets and fountains below look like tiny details in a grand design. Downtown Dubai is the heart of the city, home to the Dubai Mall, luxury hotels, and the iconic Dubai Fountain, where water, light, and music dance together every evening. Sheikh Zayed Road cuts through the city like a shining artery. Lined with skyscrapers, this highway connects old and new Dubai, from trade centers to tech hubs. Dubai Marina blends urban living with a resort-like atmosphere. Towers rise like glass cliffs around a tranquil canal, where yachts glide between reflections of steel and sky. From the air, Palm Jumeirah reveals its full design, a man-made island shaped like a palm tree built out into the sea. Villas, resorts, and beaches form one of Dubai's most recognizable silhouettes. At the crown of the palm stands Atlantis. From above, its arches and courtyards feel like the gateway between the city and the sea, an icon of Dubai's coastal luxury. Along Jumeirah Beach, turquoise water meets white sand. Standing offshore, the sail-shaped Burj Al Arab has become a symbol of Dubai's bold and ambitious architecture. Beyond the skyscrapers lies Old Dubai. Around Dubai Creek, wooden boats ferry passengers, and traditional markets, souks, remind us of the city's trading routes. Just outside the city, the desert stretches to the horizon. Golden dunes roll like waves, a reminder that Dubai rose from sand and sea through vision, trade, and innovation. As daylight fades, Dubai transforms again. City lights flicker on, roads glow, and towers sparkle. From above, the city becomes a constellation of human-made stars. This is Dubai from above, where desert meets sea and imagination becomes skyline. Thank you for joining this virtual aerial tour. If you enjoyed this flight, remember to like, subscribe, and explore more destinations with us.